Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Stellar from Kraken to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're holding Stellar on Kraken and want to secure it in your Arculus wallet for better control, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Crypto moves can be irreversible. First things first, make sure you have your Kraken account set up and verified. Log in to your Kraken dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Funding section. It's usually on the top menu. Here, you'll see a list of your assets. Find and select Stellar XLM from the dropdown. Next, click on the Withdraw button for Stellar. This will open a form where you'll need to enter your Arculus wallet address. Pro tip: double-check this address. It's a long string of characters, and one wrong letter could send your funds into the void. If you haven't already, open your Arculus wallet app or website to copy the exact deposit address for Stellar. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, Kraken might have minimum withdrawal limits and fees, so check those details on their site to avoid surprises. In 2025, Kraken has streamlined this with enhanced security, so you'll likely need to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, if you haven't already. Hit Confirm, and follow any additional verification steps, like entering a code from your Auth app. After submission, Kraken will process your request. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed on the Stellar blockchain, head over to your Arculus wallet to see your funds arrive. Keep an eye on transaction fees. They're often based on network conditions. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Stellar to a more secure spot. If you run into any issues, Kraken's support or the Arculus community forums are great resources. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there in the crypto world.